SMEs make up 93% of our businesses here on the Redlands coast. So when we were recently given the opportunity to sign an MOU with TAFE Queensland to offer our SMEs a Better Business workshop series, providing one-on-one mentoring to our SME market, we jumped at the opportunity. We're very, very proud to bring our business community this support, the support that all small businesses need to grow, to employ, and to create business confidence here on the Redlands coast. I encourage you to jump on, to check out the course. I believe it gives real world advice. You can work on your business each week with our Vice President, Tony Curl, who is also the facilitator to the course, and get your business better.